Hi, Rich Spezzano here from Digitally Fearless, and I'm going to show you how to do a blend if in Affinity Photo. In Photoshop, this is what the blend if looks like. And what they have is sliders, and here's a slider for the top layer. And if you want to blend instead the bottom layer, this is the slider. And if you want to smooth out the blends, after you move the slider, you hold Alt and then you split them up. Well, in Affinity Photo, they do have a blend if, and here's how it works. Here's a photo. I have an airplane and I have a sky, but I want this airplane to look like it's coming out of the clouds. So first, let's get to the blend if. If you select a layer and hit the gear, it's blend options. Blend options works just like blend if in Photoshop. And let's get back to where we were. Instead, what I want to do is take the sky and duplicate that layer. That's Command or Control J, and move that to the top. On the top layer, I'll click the gear again to get my blend options. Now what I'm going to do is take the source layer, which is that image, that top image, and drag the left point down, which will make the white, the lighter pixels fade away. And if I go, make sure linear is not turned on. If I grab anywhere here and I can fade it in or out and show as much of the plane as I want. When I'm done, now on that top layer, I can create a mask. And on that mask, I will make sure that my colors are black and white, so I'll hit the letter D. If you're clicking the D and you're not getting black and white, then check out my top 20 tips video. Now that it's black and white, I will grab the brush and make sure black is selected, and now I'm going to start tapping to show how much of the plane I want to stick out. I might even want this wing coming out of the cloud. Make sure it's a soft brush so that it doesn't look so fake. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you get a blend if. So if you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you very much.